Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how to build an app, build an to-do app in the Glide. So first of all, you will need to be logged into the Glide, uh, which I assume that you already are. So now you will be taken to this main menu right here, and from here I will choose the app. After that, I will import an Google Sheet file in. So I will go right here to data. After that, click on this plus on the left side, tables, and okay, I can delete this that we go together. So import, it will open up, choose a file or Google Sheet, choose Google Sheets, and here you will see your Excel files. I will select to-do list, import it into it like so. And what we can do now is to go right here to the agent. It will load a little bit, and here it will suggest, so I will choose let's create a to-do list app, and this agent will now uh, create our app, and like that is our imported sheet from Google is now basically in the app. Uh, okay, so I will put right here work non-profit. Okay, like that. Um, okay, so like that. Now the app was created. So if I go here to layout, here we can choose uh, how it will look like. So I will go with this checklist, false, false, false. Now I also can create new one here, edit like that, or I can edit mark as complete. So it's now totally working app, and this is how you create basically an app in the Glide. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.